Hi, my name is Wafula Eric, and I'm really motivated to continue being a restoration steward because majority of the population in this community rely on subsistence farming as their main source of livelihood. And the rapid loss of trees and shrubs threaten their livelihood. Therefore, we have to keep encouraging them to plant more trees, and this will help to preserve the ecosystem, but also specifically plant the agroforestry trees. This will help increase on the soil fertility, at the end will help the farmers to have better crops and crop yields. Also on the side of our water bodies, we have to keep sensitizing the community about the dangers of dumping different garbages like plastics in the water bodies, and hence this affects the aquatic life, but not only aquatic life but even themselves, because these water bodies are of good help to them, our farmers, and to the aquatic life and even animals around. So by so doing this, I believe we'll have to change our communities and improve on their livelihood. Thank you.